Hi everybody. Thank you guys for joining me now. On this video. Thank you guys very much. I'm running GNOME right now. Right, let me go to YouTube. I gotta go to YouTube and see if this is right. So, let me see. So, can everybody hear me now? No, I didn't want to. Let me see. Alright, everything looks good now. Everything looks good. Let me, I just gotta set this up. I need it. I can't even see it. Just wanna set it up real quick. Alright. I know it's on there, but I'm just gonna set it up. Alright. Let's move this window back. Alright, so I am on GNOME right now. Oh. No, I didn't want that to do it. I'm on GNOME right now. Everybody. So let's go take a look at oh my god, Ubuntu. Let's just take a look at. So I'll show you guys everything I have set up right now. It's right now I did a few things. I downloaded a GTK theme, Albertaz, and I didn't get any cursors or icons yet, but I downloaded the Arc Shell from GNOME Look, and the first thing you guys, hi Fidel, how you doing today? Thank you for joining. And the first thing you guys want to do when you guys install GNOME, this is running GNOME, the new GNOME 17.04, and the first things you guys want to do when you guys install GNOME is what I found out is there's a bug in 17.04, and I'm pretty sure Linux and other stuff did the same thing with Ubuntu Mint. So let's just I'll show you what you guys have to do to fix that bug. And the first thing when you installing GNOME is make sure all your updates are installed. If you go here, right here, and you hit software updates, just make sure this is up to date. Let's just run it now and see. If you hit that, it'll check for updates, and we are all good, so we can click OK. And then the next thing that you want to do, if you guys have NVIDIA or something, come here. Oh, that's okay. We know what you mean, Fidel. So if you guys have NVIDIA drivers, what kernel is this based on? Let me just see. Well, if you guys want to, then you guys go up here and install NVIDIA drivers, is what I did. And I can show you that I'm running NVIDIA right now. So NVIDIA is running and everything. We can see the thermal sensors on here. So just gonna click that, and let me see what kernel we're running. Let me see. How to find what kernel. We will see. Let me see. Let me see. What kernel we're running. Let me see, we're running it's 410.020. Let me see, let's see what all the information is. That's 410. I think that's the kernel name up above. Let me see what this is. Yes, Linux, Ubuntu, Linux, it's on 410.020. I think that's the kernel. Let's try this command and see what we get. Good question, Fidel. No LSP models. Let me see if we can get any more information. Just gonna look to about details. Here we go, details. And yes, Ubuntu 17.04, Ubuntu. And let me just install screen fetch. Let's see what this sudo apt install screen fetch. And we'll put it in screen fetch. And this is Ubuntu. Yeah, the kernel, that's what the kernel is. So if anybody wants to know what the kernel is, it's 4.10 0/20 generic and package 740 shell bash 445. GNOME shell and the theme. All right here, the font, the system that I'm running. You can all see it right here. So yeah, so let's start customizing this. I'm going to show you where I got that one thing from. No, that's not it. Let's see. Right here, you can go to his page on DeviantArt. He made an Arc United GNOME. I believe it has the GNOME shell, so you gotta go and find the GNOME shell theme and stuff. So this is the one I have by Atlas Team. You can find him at iCandy. Let me see. Right here. He posts a lot of screenshots here. This is a good group to join if you guys want to join. He's on iCandy right now. Ha ha ha. Yeah, Fidel, that's what I need. More subs. Nah, whoever wants to like me is fine. But yeah, so let's just start with customizing. Let's go to the GNOME extensions. Right now, and we can look for, let's I'm trying to think of what to look for. Let's see. Oh yeah, while I'm thinking, let me show you what I did to fix that bug fix. It was at, let me see, web. Let me see, app. Part, let me see, app. Trying to figure out where it was. Well, I can't find it at the moment, but I will do a quick video on that once I find it. I don't want to take more time up, but let's do some customizing and stuff. So what I usually go is to DeviantArt. Usually spell it wrong, so DeviantArt GNOME themes. I usually go here to look at some I usually go here to look at some ideas, but not sure why I didn't show. Not sure why I didn't. Oh, maybe I gotta log in for it to show. That's okay. Here we go. We're on a big picture so you can see it. That's why. So let's see. Let's go down the list and see what nice themes. We got blue. So this is what I usually go to get ideas and stuff, but sometimes it doesn't really help that much. So let's first find the icons that we're going to use. So let's go to gnomelook.com. Let's go here. And let's go and find some icons. Let's search the icon themes and stuff. Let me see which icons. Does anybody also on gaming side of Linux? Our stream names are Fidel Arnold and my user pick is God of War and TJ is Chick. Ha ha ha, yeah. Let me share this. Maybe people So I just posted my stuff on social media, so yeah, thanks for Dale for sharing that. I'm just gonna go and see what icons. Let's try these iOS icons. right now, let's see if we can see the iOS icons. We're going to try these icons right now. I think now this icon theme is completely ready for GNOME. Also fix many missing icons in other desktop environments. Recommended for all major desktop environments. Okay, so let's try this icon set. It's an iOS icons. So I found the icons I want, and we're just gonna click the tar file. And it's downloaded, so I'm not sure if we're gonna unzip it or if we not sure if we gotta unzip it or what in here, but let's see. Icons, thought we could put it in here. Let me see. Okay, so maybe we can't put it in here. So let's go to our terminal. I'm just gonna go to our terminal right now. If I can find the terminal. That's would be stupid. Okay, we got the terminal opened. That's I just want to see. Okay. Right here, GKS sudo. Let's open this. So this is how you get in the root with GNOME. I don't know if there's a special command for GNOME, so if anybody wants to let me know, that will be good. And sorry for that flicker, everybody. I see I'm getting flicker. OBS, of course, is messing up. So let me just hit user share and then icons. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open a new file manager, and then we're gonna go to downloads, and then we want to hit the iOS icons that we just downloaded from GNOME, and then we're gonna extract them here, and it's gonna give us an iOS photo extraction completed success. So just close that. Then we're just gonna look. So here's the icon directory. We're going to copy this, and then we're just going to paste it right in there. So then we're just going to close it out. It's copied. Let's close terminal. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go to our GNOME tweak tool again. Right here, and then we're going to press the icons, and then we're going to press the iOS icons. And then we should have the icons right on the sidebar and everything. So let's see what it. So here's our icons. What will appear, so pretty cool. So we got our icons set. Now let's go to let's hey Slack, how's it going? What time should I stream at? Yeah, okay. Okay, so we just got our icons and set. So here's the icons that we have set. I can show you the icons. They're iOS icons. I just picked random icons, but but yeah, those are the icons. So for everybody that's joining, if anybody wants to know what distro I'm running in kernel, this is it right here. I'm running Ubuntu 17.4 zesty, the kernel version 4.10.020, and I'm running GNOME, and the theme is the Windows Manager theme is add, if I can say that right. Okay, so let's that's what the kernel. Let me just go back to the tweak settings right now. And yeah, I wonder why. Okay, that's the cursor. Wonder why that shows. Maybe that's a mouse cursor. Okay, so maybe that's why it's showing that right there. Maybe that's the mouse. Windows mouse theme. I don't know what that means, why that's saying that, but I'm running this themes right here, the arbitrage, if I can say that right, and then the iOS icons, and then I'm running the Arc shell, and I'll show you guys where to get it. If you go right here to Atlas, no, I don't want that. So let me go. If I can go to Atlas Team site. If you go here, he's making gnome themes, and this is where I got mine from. If you download from right here, he made an arc theme, but he forgot one important thing. It doesn't come with GNOME shell theme. So you guys had to find the GNOME shell themes on GNOME Look and stuff. So I might have to mention that to him, that it doesn't have the GNOME shell themes. But he did make his recent work is an arc theme, which looks pretty nice and stuff. So yeah, so that's he was a great conky guy. He made a lot of conkies, and I guess he changed from making conkies to GNOME themes and XFC themes he makes too. So if you want to check this guy out on DeviantArt, he's on here. His name is Atlas Team. He's also on, let's see, he's also on, if you want to check him out on, he's also on Google Plus. If you go to Google Plus and you go to what group, if you go to the eye candy group right here, if you look for eye candy Linux, he usually posts a lot of stuff, including with Matt Dobson. He's a great guy too. So yeah, and you can ask about tons of features that people, the people over here that post their screenshots and whatever have tons of awesome themes and conkeys and everything else, like different window managers, like you can see right here and stuff. And if you don't know how to do that, all you have to do is ask, and they usually answer. So with that being said, let's go back and finish customizing Ubuntu GNOME. So let's go. I'm looking for some extensions to use. If anybody has any good extensions to use for GNOME Look, it's been a while since I've been on GNOME, so let's look for, let me see, icons. I can't remember. Top, I think it was called top icons. Let me see right here, top icons. And I'm using Google Chrome. You can install the extensions with Google Chrome now. By default, you don't need to install anything. So let me see what this does. Install. And you can see it puts a nice icon on right here for the top icon. So let's see if we can find any more. See what this is. Top icon plus. I wonder what this is. I don't think that did anything. Hmm. I'm not sure what that did, but it didn't do anything over here, so it must not work. What's this one? Okay, so let's try getting the media player indicator. It's saying some here, so let's try getting where did that page go? I gotta go to GNOME extensions. GNOME extensions again. I don't know what happened to it, but let's go. Media player indicator. Let's get. Let's see. I don't see it. Media player. I don't see the media player indicator, so sometimes, okay, yeah, this what happened to me the last time I was running GNOME. Sometimes you gotta build them. I'm not sure why you gotta build them. But let's go to the GitHub site. And I'm just gonna build it because it didn't seem to work when I added it. So let's just if I can remember how to build it. I think I built it. Let's see. Installation. Okay, let's okay, here we go. Okay, so let's just gonna download this because sometimes you'll find extensions that don't work and you can actually build them yourself. So we're just gonna build a good example on building extensions. Shouldn't have to, but let's download it and build it. And this one looks like an easy one. So let's go to what then we want to go to is, if I can find the folder now, files, we want to go to is, and these are iOS icons. So in case you guys want to know the icons I'm running, I might change them. I might change them. They're a little, I don't know. They're nice looking, but I might change them. Not sure yet. So what we want to do is go to Downloads folder, and then what we want to do is extract the extension, and then what we want to do is open up a terminal in here. And then we're just gonna ls to see what's in the file, and then we're just gonna go back to this installation. At the bottom of the page it says please see wiki. We're going to go to installation, and then we're going to go to, we already have it, so what we want to do now is do that. So let's you need okay, so let's install GNOME. It says we need GNOME Common. I thought we had it, so let's install this. Sudo apt install. Let me open this up wider a bit here. Let's open this up so you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. Can you guys see this alright? Hi Darth Gamer 00. My favorite desktop environment. That's a hard choice. Let me see. My favorite desktop environment would be, I don't know, I don't really have a favorite. I like them all, but probably the top two would be my favorite. Maybe I really like all of them. I can't really pick a favorite, but probably 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 KDE. Well, probably XFCE. That would probably XFCE or Mate I would probably choose XFCE or Mate if somebody's just getting started with Linux. So probably that would be it. So let's install this. I hope that answers your question, Darth. So we're just installing this extension right here, and we needed a dependency for it. So we just needed a dependency, so let's go back and do this. So we're installing this to, and then so this is what you have to do to install the media player, in case anybody wasn't able to get the media player in for some reason. So let's do make. Let me see what it's saying. Make. There was an error, so let me see. Not sure what it's missing. Let me see. Let me see for target. Let's go to, that's Synaptic. Let's go to Synaptic. Maybe this let's see, go to, oh, is that even installed? Make, that's installed, right? Make, let me see. Is make even installed? Let's see. CMake. There's Make ABs. I'm trying to find Am. Where is Am? It didn't even. Mate. Where is the Am? I think we passed it. Make. Okay, that is installed. Let me see. I know I got this installed before, so let me see. I'm making all sources. Make entering home. Missing separator. Let me see. Wait, let's try this. Energy tags. Let me see. I'm trying to figure out why this package isn't building. So if you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm trying to figure out how to install this package. That's already installed. Get tags. Get us installed. So let me see. Not sure. Let me see. Go files. Let me try it again and see what happens. Done. Here, all in this. Copy. Let me see. Make file. What is it? So let me see. Hold on, customizing show to let's go back to the GNOME session. Maybe the other one will work in the GNOME extensions. So just gonna go back to the GNOME extensions. Maybe the media player will work. Let me see if it works. No, off. On. Let me see. Oh, cool. Yeah, Darth. Cinnamon is a good desktop, too. I wonder why it doesn't show in extensions. Let me try again Spotify. Trying to see... Oh, cool. Do you remember Darth Gamer? Do you remember what version worked with this menu? I might be going back to an older version of Cinnamon. Let me find this. Cinnamon app menu. I think that's what it's called. Cinnamon. No, that wasn't that. Let me see. Is this it? That's not it. That's not it, but that looks kind of cool. I wonder if that works on Cinnamon. But let me see. Trying to find that one menu. Do you guys remember what that one menu is called and what version? Cinnamon is on. Oh wait, I think I found it. I think I went by it by my. This one right here. It's this one. Where's the picture? I don't know if you can see this, but this menu right here where you can change it and everything. Do you guys remember which Cinnamon version you need to run this? Because I would like to run this menu because nobody seems to be updating and stuff. I'm just gonna get Spotify, just so I can see if this music player is working. So let's get Spotify. I'm just gonna get Spotify, so see, so let me see, update. Okay, just seeing if Spotify updating. Let's see. Let's install Spotify. Oh, thanks for coming back, Fidel, and thanks everybody for watching this live stream. I was trying to get the media player to work, but it didn't seem to show up in extensions. I'll probably figure it out how to get it to work. But I'm just downloading Spotify right now to see if it shows up. So, yeah. So let's go to Spotify. I'm just going to see if this media player is working. So, Spotify. Just gonna see if this is working. So let's see. Okay, so maybe it is working. Okay, so let's shut that. Maybe it is working. No, that's not it though. Okay, that's not the media player though thing. I don't see it in here, so let's see. Excellent. It works highly imperfect. Okay, let me see. Installation. Let me see. Yeah, I like GNOME and stuff. I like GNOME Darth Gamer. I like for the most part, if they could get some of their extensions to work updated, that would be nice. So let me go back to file manager. I'm just gonna try this again. Open terminal. ls. Hey English Bob, how's it going? I'm just on GNOME, everybody. Just on GNOME, trying to get this extension to work, this media player extension. It seems. Well, right now I'm on GNOME. But my daily driver is KDE Neon. Let's see if this works again. Not using. I wonder why this is failing. Let me see. I'm just gonna write this guy. Oh, I'm not even signed in. Let's sign in here. New issue. Let me see. Got title. Let me see. Installing. Oh, what am I doing? I can't type today. Installing. Oh, Ubuntu, mate, you're on English, Bob. I'll have to go and try Ubuntu May. Some people said there were problems with Ubuntu May, but I don't know if it's just them or I don't know. It could be just them. Let me see. Yeah, I put this in issue. What the? me see. Where the heck did that go? Oh, I don't know what the heck I was in. Where did I put that at? Wow. I don't know where I put that at. Not even paying attention. Huh. I put that somewhere. Let's do this real fast. Okay. Here we go. I don't even know where that went to. Let me try this for a minute. Let me see. Missing. I wonder if we can get more information on this. Let me see. Paste. So where is that flow? Oh, hell. Are you using Solus English, Bob? Are you testing out Solus English, Bob? Oh, okay. I did have, I was running Mate Solus on real hardware. I probably got a ton of updates. I haven't been on it for a while. It's on an external drive. But, I want to install Solus GNOME. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm being a GNOME freak right now, but I want to install GNOME on Solus. How long do you think Ubuntu is going to last with GNOME, everybody? Oh, I'll have to try Debian Stretch. I haven't installed. See, Debian installer. I don't really like the Debian installer, the way it's set up. I have to, because I have to manually partition and with gparted before I do it, or else. I know the last time I used Debian, the setup, I don't know, I messed something up and had to go back and redo it. It was kind of a funny system. I wish they'd put gparted in, but I don't know. I guess that's Debian. But yeah, right now I'm just probably just gonna forget this for right now, because it doesn't seem, this GNOME extension doesn't want to seem to work. I know I got it working before, but not really sure how I got it working before, so can't remember. I think I bailed it, but I didn't get this error. I don't think so. let's just go to, oh my god, Ubuntu. And I'm going to go, it says install 24 theme. Let's just go try this script. There's a new script, I guess. You can install 24 popular GTK themes with one command using this script. So let's try install GNOME themes and script. Let me see on GitHub. Before you jump ahead to download and run the script, be aware that this script will install a sack load of dependencies, build tools, and fonts. Okay, I'm fine with that. Install and okay, instructions, sudo apt-get. Okay, to update the script. I'm gonna try these 24 GNOME themes on here. Get away from this for a little bit. So I'm not sure what's wrong. Let me open up a new terminal. Because I've been at it for the last, I don't know, half an hour lately, I think. So let me try this GNOME. Gonna install get. Oh, what did I do? I don't think this isn't gonna go in right. Yes, it is. Whoa, in luck. So let's installing get. Thank English Bob. Have a good night, buddy. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, so let's get clone. We're gonna just doing this stripped and everything. And that's not right. That can't be right. Okay, let me see. Oh, maybe that is right. Let me see. That can't be right. That can't be the right command. Let me see. Okay, maybe it is the right command. So let's install these. So we're installing this script. I guess you get 24 themes in this script. And there's a lot of stuff that it's gonna install. So just waiting. Let me read through these comments. Have a good one, English Bob. Okay. Bye. Okay. Five watching. I hope everybody is enjoying the stream. I'm just installing this script from 24 popular GTK themes with one command using a script. And if anybody's new into the stream, what I talked about before, the theme that I'm running. The theme that I am running is Albatross, and then the icons are iOS, and then I got in the Arc Shell. Both of these iOS icons and the Arc Shell I got from GNOME Look, and the Albatross, I think that's how you say it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you can get it from here at DeviantArt. Atlas Team is a great guy. He did a lot of conkeys and whatever, and you can get this theme right here, and this is the one I have installed. It's a GTK theme for GNOME, but he didn't provide the GNOME Shell theme, so you gotta install those from GNOME Look or wherever you want to look to find the GNOME Shell themes. So yeah, and if you want to know where, another good site is to look for a lot of people. Is iCandy Linux. A lot of people right here, this is a group that's a really good group if you want to look at this. You can see what other themes they have and stuff. And it's a good group to join. You can ask a lot of questions in here, and you can get good stuff here. So yeah, so check it out. Let me see, is this done? It's on last update. Oh, okay. Well, I wonder if this is... Oh, so I think it's still installing the themes from that script. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, that's installing it, and I guess if you wanted to update it, you could do this. I don't know if I like the scripts on that, so while that's working, let's go back. I'm gonna try this going to try this one right here. This script organizes your GNOME application launcher into categories. which seems pretty cool. So you can organize it in the categories. So let's let's, okay. I don't know if we need GNOME dash. I'm not sure. Let's see, how do we to one page? I wonder, just trying to read how you get. By default, the application shell has 2 sections. How to create your own app. Should be this, I thought. Let's see this for a minute. Sort GNOME shell. Okay, so here it is on GitHub. Using the new beta interactive, say clone or download the respirator from GitHub. So we're gonna try this one next. We're gonna try it. Alright, so this is done. Let's see if so that's done. Let me see if it put the themes in there. I don't see the themes. Let me see. 3, 2. Let me open it back up. Okay, so here we go. We got everything. Arc, dark. It works. Arc. I just want to stay with arc. So there you got tons of GTK themes. Breeze. Wow, that's really bad. Okay, that one's kind of cool. Oh, I don't know about that. Wow. So new mix. What's going on here? Oh, let me open it up again. So you got a whole, yeah, that was messed up when it changed. So you got a whole bunch of themes now. You got Barry. Let me see, what's the laptop one? You got, yeah, all these ones. I'm gonna put it back though to Windows 9X. Holy mackerel. You got a Windows one. So I'm just gonna put it back to the Alcatraz one I had. And stuff, and we're gonna try this one out. Right now we're gonna try this one out. So let's see, open terminal, no, clone the Git repository from GitHub. Okay. Let's see, let me see, clone this. Let's clone this. So git clone. So I'm just gonna go to ls. And we're gonna go cd to, let me see this. CD to the directory containing the files. Okay, that's CD to GNOME dash fix. So we're in the directory. We're gonna now open terminal. Now flag interactives as an exit. Okay, so we gotta do this chmod this right here. Just following the tutorial on, or the installation on I am going to be using the new beta, since it's a new beta one, so not sure what the difference is, but I'm trying the beta one, the new one, so I'm just gonna chmod. Then now we're gonna ls it, and we're going to and we're just gonna run this script. It says follow the instructions on screen and make selections using your keyboard. So we're just gonna run this right now. Now GNOME dash fix. Okay, copy. Bang. Welcome. This script can help you organize your GNOME apps dashboard into code. Press return to begin. So we're pressing return. This software is currently in beta and may not function as intended. You use this software at your own risk. You are responsible for any damage that occur. Okay. This software is licensed under the MIT. Okay. I think we get. Do you agree to these terms? Yes. Of course. Okay, main menu. 1. Set folders to default. Set folders to the default. 2. Customize the folders in case before applying. Right. What do you want to do? Remove all existing folders from the dashboard. Let's try option 2. The default folders are preloaded and will be listed for you. After listing all preloads, you will be given the opportunity to edit You might want to maximize your terminal window to get a better view. Okay, press. Let me see. Science. Let me see. What did it do so far? Let me see. Okay, I don't think it did anything so far. So let me see. Want to add a new folder. To delete an existing folder. Finish editing. What do you want to do? I'm not sure what we should do. Let me see. Let me see. File. That's gonna go to 4. I'm gonna type 4 because I'm not sure what the right answer is. Let's see if it did. Please confirm that your categories are correctly formatted before continuing. Failing to do so may cause damage to your system. Make sure there aren't any duplicate entries or miss. Are you sure that info is correct? Let me see. System. So yes, I don't see any duplicate entries. So let's changes written to this. So let me see. There we go. We got it. We got all the categories right here. As you can see, we categorized it. So everything's in a category now. That was pretty neat. So that script is done. That's all you do. That's all you do for that script. That was easy enough. So, who's all here with me? Anybody else still here? Any YouTubers out there? Anybody? Okay, I think I'm going. Okay, hi Slack. Did you want me to do anything? Okay, viewer requests. Viewer requests. Anybody want me to do anything or do anything else? I'm running GNOME now. I'll let you guys pick what you guys want me to do. Hey Slack CLI. I actually wanted to install Slackware, but I didn't know how to install Slackware. You should do a video on it, on how to install it, because I wanted to install Slackware with KDE. And then also, how do you build packages and stuff? Or get like normal packages that you get on like Ubuntu and stuff. I think I would run Slackware. I would try it at least. If you have any good guides to get started with. Oh, okay. I'll look that up. Let me paste that so I remember. Steven. I'm just gonna there's a text editor so I can save it. Text editor. Steven's machine room. Let me see. Save as documents. Slackware videos. Alright, there we go. I saved it, so I have it saved so I can go and look. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I think I'm gonna wrap it up for the end of the video. I'll probably come back on later. I'll probably come back on later tonight. Yeah, I'll probably be back on later tonight and stuff. If I got the media player working in GNOME, and if I get other I'll probably be back on and stuff. I didn't really get too many extensions. I kind of have to read up on, or kind of have to try them out and stuff, because it kind of takes a long time to set up GNOME and stuff the way you want it. As you can see, there's a lot more stuff, because I was running GNOME on OpenSUSE and I got the media player extension to run, but for some reason it doesn't run on won't install or something, so I will see all of you guys later or on other live streams. Maybe, hopefully Sudo comes on. But I'm gonna wrap it up right now. I'm probably gonna go and play Brain Bread with Fidel, so for a little bit, and then I'll come back later on tonight. I'll probably be back. I want to say I'll be back on maybe, what's a good time to come back? Slack later on tonight. For you. Is 9 o'clock okay for you? Or should I come back later? Maybe I'll come back at like maybe 5 o'clock. I'll be on tonight. Maybe 5 o'clock. I'll be back on. So yeah, I'll see you guys later and everything. Thank you guys for watching.